you're wrapped in your largest organ right now? Your skin. That's right. It's the incredible living coat that's constantly renewing itself. It's like a tree shedding its autumn leaves. Your skins are always flaking, making ways for fresh skin cells beneath. Nearly 1 million cells refresh each day. You're literally becoming new as we're speaking. Every scar, every freckle tells your story, where you've been, what you've been feeling, how you've grown. This isn't just biology, it's poetry in motion. Your skin dancing between protection and connection. So next time you feel that gentle itch of renewal, remember, you're not just shedding the old, you're embracing the new. Your skin is your story, forever being written.